Good morning, YouTube. It's about 9:30 in the morning. 2013 Ford Raptor Super Crew. My PAT system conked out at me last night en route back from California to Las Vegas. Turns out there is a fuse panel here by the passenger floorboard here. I'm gonna take out these little cover on the side. It'll have another cover like this, and it has your schematic numbers on there and stuff. But what I did was I looked in here and I noticed, I'm not sure if you can see it, but somewhere in the inside here there was a loose tab, and I can't put my flashlight on there, but I pushed it in and my truck fired right up. I believe it was this one right here. Yep, pushed it in, it was loose. This little clip came out. I had a no crank, no nothing for like 4 hours, and I finally figured it out. If that's not the case for your truck, you can always take each fuse out one by one and check those. But most often than not, which one was it on? I think it's this big one here. It'll probably be the culprit. You can always switch it out for something under your hood. Good luck to you.